Yes, now we are going to start exercise 12.2. 12.1 we have already completed it. Now we are going to start 12.2. It is about addition and subtraction of money. See बेटा, पहले सो देख लो कैसे करेंगे, बहुत easy है. Sorry. It is very simple. Addition and subtraction of money. Beta, have you seen the bills? Have you seen the bills? Have you been to malls and mega shops and everywhere where
Yes,
you have the
ma'am.
bills of
Yes, ma'am.
where you have the bills like printed bills you have? Do you have those bills? Do you
Ma'am,
have those
I have
bills?
the Domino's one.
डोमिनोज वन, हाँ ठीक है, लेकर आओ. अभी है किसी के
Okay.
पास बिल्स? लेकर आओ जल्दी से, क्विक. If you have the bills, take out, bring your bills here. Bring your bills here. If you have some bills with you. Vivek, switch your camera on. Vivek, make sure that your camera is on throughout.
Ma'am, what I have not understood.
क्या नहीं understand हुआ?
Ma'am, what we have to.
बिल है तुम्हारे पास बेटा कोई बिल? इलेक्ट्रिक बिल. इलेक्ट्रॉनिक
ma'am.
बिल, sorry.
Let me see.
Ma'am, I have the medicine bill.
Okay, you have the medicine bill. Okay, show me. Show me on
Ma'am,
if.
ma'am, I am having the HDFC bank bill. Ma'am, but it is one page, ma'am.
Ma'am, I got. Let me show you.
I hope everyone brought their bills with them, right? Everyone got your bills? Got the bills? Okay. Now see here in the bills what you can see. रेहांश रेहांश ने जो बिल मुझे भेजा है, रेहांश आप टोटल जहां लिखा है बिल्कुल लास्ट में, what you can see there 998. What have you seen there? What can you see there? Show us also. Rehansh will show us also. What is there? Okay, he is showing what is there, as all of you can see. थोड़ा बेटा shift right और थोड़ा पास लाओ. लेफ्ट होगा फिर वो लेफ्ट, और थोड़ा पास लेकर आओ. थोड़ा पास लाओ कैमरा, विद द कैमरा के और पास लेकर आओ. Okay, I hope everyone can see here. It is written total. Okay, I'm telling you what is written here. 998.80. टोटल जहाँ लिखा है वहां ये लिखा है 998.280 और उसके बाद लिखा है 0.20. ठीक है, 0.20 उसको ऐड किया है, राइट रेहांश? It is written like this. Okay.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Mehul has also sent me. Mehul, as you can see from there itself, you can see there. Mehul. Mehul का भी आप लोग बिल देखो, check करो. If you see have the WhatsApp. Mehul also send me. So what they have done? 00999. So the total bill is of 999000. Right, Rehansh? Right, Rehansh?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Yes, his bill is of like this, and it is written grand total. So what does it mean? What does it mean? See, this means that this is the money of one whatever he bought. It is the total amount 998 rupees and 80 paisa. Okay, Mehul is showing us the bill. Mehul chala gaya. Okay, let's see here. Then when we added 20 paise to it, okay, Mehul. Mehul is showing us the bill. बेटा सी 100 रुपीज हुए हैं ओनली. ओके, और नहीं है बेटा, ऊपर दिखाओ, ऊपर करो, ऊपर शिफ्ट करो. व्हाट हैव यू बॉट अदर थिंग्स? ओके, इट इज ऑफ 100 रुपीज सिंपली. It is of 100 rupees, no paise. See what, how do we add the money? Very good. Okay, Mehul. Okay, Mehul, how do we add the money? So see, let's how to add or subtract this money. See, Rupees will be under rupees and paise will be under paise. And point will be under point. जैसे हम kilometers और meters, grams और kilograms से addition करते थे, exactly in the same way हमें इसका करना है. ठीक है? Now let me show you. Can you do it yourself? Okay, let me give you one example. Then you can do it yourself. I suppose the question is rupees. We have to wait rupees 35.80 and rupees 9.75. Okay, so what will be here? Rupees 35.80 and rupees 9.75. So we will add it. Point will be under point and we make sure ones place पे ones आना चाहिए, point under point and पैसे under the पैसे. 5, 8, 7, 15. Point will be here and 1 will be shifted over. 9, 5, 14 plus 1, 15. 1 will be carried over. 9, 3 is 27, 27 and 1, 28. And put 1 rupees sign over here. Here is the pence. Understood? Okay, now let me show you the next question. Give me a minute. So let me share my screen. These are the questions. Start solving them in your maths pair notebook. Take out your maths pair notebook, a new page, and start solving them quickly. In third one, if there is no paisa given, you will put paisa yourself 0.00. जैसे आपने अभी मेहुल के बिल में देखा, उन्होंने अपने आप ही 0.00 पुट कर दिया था.
Ma'am, after doing them all, we have to post it also.
Yes. Let me take the attendance by the time. विवेक, switch on your camera. विवेक कैमरा ऑन करके बैठा करो बेटा, कैमरा ऑफ नहीं करा करो.
Ma'am, before writing the answer also, we have to write rupees sign.
You have to write.
Ma'am, when we are writing the answer, so ma'am, before writing the answer, we have to make rupees sign.
Yes, obviously that is compulsory. If you not put the rupees sign, it will be wrong.
Ma'am, in third one you have not put zero anywhere.
कोई बात नहीं, तो मैंने क्या बताया था, अपने आप से पॉइंट लगाओ, जीरो पुट करो. My sharing has been paused. Why is it paused? Let me check. आद्रिका, थर्ड वाला बेटा मुझे रॉन्ग लग रहा है. थर्ड वाला आई एम फीलिंग इट इज रॉन्ग. आई टोल्ड यू इट इज 5000. तो बेटा 5000 को आप प्लेस इट जीरो, वो जो वंस वाला है वो वंस के नीचे रखो. थर्ड वाला रॉन्ग है आद्रिका. ओके, रेस्ट आर करेक्ट. थर्ड वाला रॉन्ग है आद्रिका. फिर से करो थर्ड वाला.
Okay, ma'am. I corrected third one.
Check your answers. See, most of you are doing this wrong. See बेटा, इस वाले में, थर्ड वाले में most of you are doing wrong. 5000 आपने लिखा है. जब इसके आगे कोई पैसा नहीं होता है तो बेटा हम पॉइंट अपनी साइड से लिखकर जीरो एंड जीरो वी कैन राइट आवरसेल्फ. 5000 तो आपको वैसे ही लिखना है. अगर कोई पैसा नहीं है एंड सेकंड वाले में पैसा है, सो आप क्या करोगे, पॉइंट जीरो जीरो. राइट डाउन क्विकली, नोट इट डाउन, नोट डाउन द आंसर्स क्विकली. Write down the answers. हाँ बेटा.
Ma'am, this one I got confused, ma'am, because this I was not knowing.
What?
Ma'am, I have sent it.
You have sent it. Okay. Shall I share you the subtraction questions now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. These are, take a screenshot of these so that you can write down the answers. Take the screenshot of it if you want to write down the answers. Beta, it's going to be over. The period is going to be over soon. So I don't think so it will be. Chalo, acha, 2 questions karo. Subtraction के आप, wait a minute. 2 questions करो at least. Take the screenshot of it if you don't want. बेटा थर्ड वाला ध्यान से देखना. अगर नहीं लिखा होता है पैसे, so we start writing our own selves. तो हम अपने आप लिखना स्टार्ट कर देते हैं. Okay. Now see. जल्दी से फर्स्ट 2 questions कर लो. Find the sum of a. ये तो. Wait. Let me show you where is it gone. Find the. I think subtraction अभी third B, fourth B में भी नहीं करें. Okay. They have also not done. Just give me a minute. Okay. In the subtraction also, beta, one thing again I'm going to tell you. Subtraction में अगर कभी भी find the difference दे रखा है. If the question is given to you, find the difference. What do you mean by difference? What do you mean by difference?
Fraction.
Huh?
Ma'am, different means two different things.
Difference means what? I'm not able to hear.
Ma'am, different means we have to find two different things.
नहीं बेटा, no. In maths, what is the meaning of difference? What is
Subtraction.
बेटा subtraction नहीं होता है बेटा. See, again I'm again repeating this thing to you. I've already told you this thing many times. That answer of addition, when we add 2 numbers or 3 numbers, the answer which is coming, the answer of addition is known as sum. Answer of addition is known as sum. And the answer of subtraction is known as difference. The answer of subtraction is known as difference.
Okay.
Now you got the difference between the addition and subtraction.
Yes, ma'am.
Answer of
Yes, ma'am.
addition is known as sum. Suppose we are adding 3 and 2. 3 and 2 we are adding. 3 and 2 we are adding. Don't say add is sum. Add sum नहीं होता है. 5. The 5 is sum here. The answer of addition is known as sum. And the answer of difference is known as sum. Suppose 3 minus 2, we are getting 1. So this is the difference here. ये क्या है? Difference. और वो क्या है? Sum. Understood?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. I don't think so we will get enough time to write down the next question. So we'll do it in the next period.
And
Okay,
ma'am,
only lesson 1 minute is
bye,
left.
ma'am.
Bye, beta. Enjoy your day. Okay, we'll do.
Bye, ma'am. Have a nice day, ma'am.
As well as reasoning, we have 3 periods on Monday. We will do reasoning also, and we can do this also. Both the things
Have
we
a
will
nice
do.
day, ma'am. Have a
Bye,
nice
beta.
day.
So next time, when
Bye,
you
everyone.
join the
Have a nice
But
day,
just now, if
ma'am.
I will read, then of course it needs one.
Adrika, is somebody else teaching you behind, from behind?
Read it on
No,
my
ma'am.
own. That
Ma'am,
is
my
right.
brother
5
is taking the
sentences with
class.
Oh, your brother is taking class. Which class is he taking? हाँ बेटा,
Ma'am, 8th B.
8th B.
And just
Okay. Chalo. All the best, beta. Enjoy your day. It's 11:40.